What's up, guys? Back with another video, and yeah, it's been a long time since I made a video, like a really long time, and it's just things have been going on. You probably don't know anything about that California trip I went to. Would have made a video, but I just had to get away from the hustle and bustle of YouTube life, but I'm back again with another video. So yeah, I just kind of got bored of getting videos. I'm sorry to you guys, but anyway, we're gonna be here with a video. So today's an unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing this thing. I know it looks like an Apple box, kind of looks like AirPods, but I promise you, we're not doing AirPods in this video. I wish we did, but nah. But anyway, my dad got AirPods. But okay, let's just out of the question. That's out of the question. Today we're reviewing the Letsfit smartwatch. It's your health tracker, not my health tracker. Your health tracker. Yeah, now you're getting it. Okay, but anyway, it says scan with your transparency app. I don't know what that means. This is a knife. Don't try this at home unless you're a supervised adult. It's kind of weird for me saying that. 2 pieces of tape because I'm not an adult. But anyway. AirPods. Okay, so what I see, nothing in this case part. This is the top of it. But you can see right here, there's this black foamish type thing. And then there's the actual watch here. So let's get that out here. Just take the whole foam thing off. Okay. So first let's look at the accessories in this. So it comes with a charger. This is a nice charging dock. Has like this cool charging dock. I told you we're not reviewing AirPods. As much as this looks like an AirPod box, it's not an AirPod. It's just not the watch. But anyway, let's look at this thing. It says there's a satisfaction guarantee. You want to read that? Pause the video. And then the smartwatch user manual. Let's see, to be honest, it says, yeah, everything, yeah, blah, 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 app interfaces. Okay, so, anyway, you get the deal. This is not a review. We're just looking at what the contents are. So anyway, it has this app, and, yeah. So now, let's actually take a look at the watch. Besides, there's nothing in this foam case thing, in case you're wondering. But, yeah, so let's look at this watch. So let's start from the top, I guess. There's this really weird thing. Like, this is weird. By all standards, this is weird. There's, like, this double H thing instead of just one. But, okay, I'm fine with that. There's a lot of these holes to put them in. That's great, I guess. Once again, you got one of those, slidey things that you put your band in. I don't know what they call it. But anyway, the watch is actually a decent size. That's actually pretty decent. Like, you can see that. This is just a sticker, by the way. There's one button on the side. There's 2 buttons. Okay. So there's a button on this side, and then there's a button on this side. It's like a, I don't know, coated in some sort of line thing. Like, look. You can see that. That's, like, coated in some, if you can see that. That's, like, coated in some line thing. I don't know. Looks cool. But anyway, on the back there, why is this? On the back there is a heart rate sensor right here, I believe. I'm not 100% correct about that. And like I said, these 4 charging parts, and what you do is you just put the watch on that charging bit, like this, and it'll just charge. It's kind of loose, but I mean, it's fine. For you're getting like $50. Shoot, I dropped it. Okay. You don't want to do that, in case I got any scratches on it. Okay, good. Didn't get any scratches on it, but yeah. I dropped it. So yeah, don't do that. You can definitely tell there's this thing right here, that usually it's able to swap out the bands, right? So, yeah, that's it. There's nothing else in the box besides, so I already showed you, the charger and the user manual. I haven't really tested it out yet. Like I said, this is a first unboxing, so I don't really know a lot about this watch. I'll try it out. Maybe you'll see a review. on my channel or on my brother's channel or something like that. But thank you so much for watching. This was the Letsfit fitness tracker. Hope you enjoyed the video.
ID205.
The ID205. ID205. Okay. Letsfit ID205. That's a long name. But anyway, this was the Letsfit ID205. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to share and like and subscribe. And like I said, I haven't made a video in a long time, but I'm sorry. It's just, I wanted to. Things happened. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.